All right, so for this one, it says in the xy plane, if 0, comma 0 is a solution to the system, all right? If 0, comma 0 is a solution to the system of the inequalities above, which of the following statements is true about the relationships between A and B? So let's unpack that a little bit. So what they're saying is 0, comma 0 is a solution. That means that x, comma y is 0, comma 0. In other words, x equals 0, y equals 0. Okay? So if I take the first inequality and I say y is less than negative x plus a, I can plug in 0 for y and I can plug in 0 for x. Now, I'm not gonna plug in the 0 for y right now. Let's just leave that y, okay? Let's just leave this as y. So that means that y is less than a. Oh, I forgot. So then for the next one, we're gonna say y is greater than 0 plus b. So then y is greater than b. So if y is less than a and y is greater than b, we could take the second inequality and rewrite it as b is less than y is less than a. Now, y is equal to 0, so we could really say b is less than a, or a is greater than b. So now if we go back up here, guess which one it is? It's a. A is greater than b. Any questions?